English conversation practice.
Conversation between a doctor and a patient regarding symptoms and diagnosis. Let's get started.
Good morning, how can I assist you today?
Hi, I have been feeling really tired and have a persistent cough.
I see. How long have you been experiencing these symptoms?
It's been about a week now.
All right. Have you taken any medication or tried any home remedies?
Yes, I've been taking some cough syrup and drinking lots of tea with honey.
I see. Based on your symptoms, I would like to conduct a physical examination and possibly some tests to determine the cause of your tiredness and cough. Would you be comfortable with that?
Yes, I would like to know what's causing my symptoms.
Great. Let's start with the examination. Can you please take a deep breath and cough for me?
Sure.
Based on my examination, I would like to order some blood tests and a chest X-ray to help diagnose the cause of your symptoms. I will also prescribe some medication to help alleviate your cough and fatigue.
Okay, thank you.
Before you go, is there anything else you would like to ask me or discuss?
No, I think that's all for now.
All right, take care and we'll see you soon for the test results.